Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rosy. Basically this is the port ROM for Redmi 5. As you can see, the device name Pixel 3a, model device name is also Pixel 3a. This ROM is based on the Android 12, ported from Pixel 3a. As on your demand, I have recorded this video. I have installed the Android 12 ROM for Redmi 5. This ROM is based on the latest security patch. As you can see, 5 July security patch. This is the 28 July build, latest build. So today we will review this ROM. So let's check the specification and the features of this ROM. What are the bugs? First let me talk about the Volt. Volt is working. Jio 4G is working perfectly fine in this ROM. Network is working perfectly. Jio fiber, as you can see, Wi-Fi is also working. Jio Volt, hotspot, everything is working perfectly fine. Let me check the hotspot. Mic, you can access the mic. If you want to block it, you can directly block it from here. And screen recording is also working perfectly. Let me show you that screen recording is working. 3 2 1. So here you can see screen recording is working perfectly fine without any problem. Screen recording is on, and you will get the status bar from here. You can directly connect Wi-Fi from here, or you can directly access the internet from here, mobile data. If you want to use whichever you want to use, you can directly access. There is no other option. All the two option like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, all the two option like mobile data and Wi-Fi is inbuilt in one option. So screen recording is working perfectly fine, and SD card is also working perfectly. Let me show you the SD card. Here is the storage. 5.83 GB is left, and because I will also test the gaming. 2.5 GB gaming is installed. There is this device SD card. Here you can see SD card is working perfectly fine. Here is the Android 12 Pixel 3a beta 3.1. I have installed this one. If you want to install this one, if you want to install this ROM, you can directly flash this ROM in Orange Fox Recovery. I have installed this ROM via Orange Fox, and all the downloads link will be in the description, so you must check it. And sound is working perfectly. Sound is loud, so don't worry, there is no problem in the sound. Vibration is also working perfectly fine. In-call vibration is also working. Tap sound, screen locking sound, everything is working perfectly fine. The bug which I have faced in this ROM is the fingerprint is not working in this ROM. Let me show you the security. Here is the security. There is an option of the fingerprint in this ROM. I will update you after reflashing this ROM if it is working correctly or not. You have to clean flash this ROM if you want to install this ROM. If you want to log in my account, you can easily log in without any problem. You will get the photo here. If you have added photo in your Google account, your photo will appear here. So Bluetooth is also working perfectly fine in this ROM, so don't worry. And battery performance, there is some issue. Phone may shut down soon. This is always showing even if your battery is 100%, is at 100%, about 11 hours 55 minutes remaining. Adaptive brightness is also working perfectly. This is the adaptive preference, adaptive battery. I have turned it off. While it was turned on, the battery backup was low. And let me show you the battery usage. As you can see, there is a certain drop in the battery because I was using Send Anywhere and to benchmark Geek Benchmark 5, and to do is working perfectly. I will show the score, so don't worry. And display, here are some of the display features. Adaptive brightness is also working, and brightness level you can easily adjust it according to your use. It works perfectly smoothly fine. There is no always on display in this ROM. As you can see, double tap to wake is also working perfectly. Night light is also working. Color you can change. There is no option of the colors, and here is the night light intensity. You can change it according to your use. It works perfectly fine, smoothly, without any problem. Here is the color and the style. Here are some of the colors. You can easily apply the wallpaper if you want. Basic color is also available. If you want to apply, all the settings will be in the green. Grid theme the icon is also available. Dark theme is also available. If you want to use dark theme, you can easily use it. And location is also working. Accurate location, so don't worry. Here is the display, wallpaper, everything is working perfectly. Else there are bugs in this ROM, as this is in this beta ROM. I will not suggest you right now for daily usage because this ROM is not good right now, and camera is also not working in this ROM. And here is the Antutu score. Antutu score is very low in this device, and GPU performance is good in this ROM. Score is very good, 9680. We will check the BGMI performance. So don't worry. Here is the US data processing speed. 35 is the temperature. Highest is 36.2. 1.2 increase in the temperature and 2% drop in the battery. Battery is performing good. When I have turned off adaptive battery, then it is working perfectly. If you want to use the Geo application or banking application, it will not work in this ROM, as this ROM is rooted device detected, as you can see. Safety net is also not passed in this ROM. Let me show you that safety net is not passed. And so here you can see safety net is not passed, and this ROM device is also not certified. Camera is also not working in this ROM, as you can see. There is problem in the camera application. It does not work. Android Auto, I have not tested this ROM, this Android Auto in this ROM, and Bluetooth is working. So let's have the 3D mark test also. What is the performance from other Redmi 5 devices? My results slingshot, then we'll check the slingshot extreme 812 is 0% better than other Xiaomi Redmi 5 devices. As you can see, poor performance. Extreme, let's check the extreme also. So it is not working perfectly, it is not good. Magisk is installed in this ROM, only the icon only, it does not work. You have to install the Magisk to use the Magisk. And YouTube Music is also working. Call is working, Volt is working, so don't worry. And let's have the BGMI so now let's have the BGMI performance. Geekbench was not completed in this ROM. This ROM is not stable yet. If you want to use, you can use it, but I don't recommend this ROM right now. After releasing few more updates, you can try it. I will update you if this ROM is great for daily usage. So don't worry, you can subscribe my channel for daily updates. So now let's check the gaming performance of this ROM. Android 12. Here you will get the gaming option. Gaming optimization is not available in this game. You will get the FPS from here. If you want to enable it, here is the some of the settings, you can check it. So as you can see, now game is force closing. This is the third time the game is force closing again and again. So I am not able to test the PUBG performance. It again closes. Whenever I goes near the enemy, the game force closes again and again, so I am not able to test the gaming performance, and the FPS was very low. Right now it is 0 FPS. It is not working perfectly. Gaming performance is very poor in this ROM, not up to the mark, so I will not suggest this ROM. If you want to try, you can give a try, but from my side it is not working perfectly. So I am not able to test properly because my exams are going on, so that's why I am sorry. I will update after my exams are completed.